As dawn breaks, casting a radiant glow across the sky, it whispers of new beginnings and uncharted journeys. Imagine for a moment you're standing at the edge of such a day, bathed in sunlight, pondering the endless possibilities that lie ahead. You've probably seen those motivational videos, right? The ones that urge you on with fervor, insisting that relentless pursuit is the only path to your dreams. Keep pushing, they chant, as if success were just a matter of will. But pause for a second and consider this. What if the very thing you're straining against isn't meant for you? Picture yourself as a leaf in a river, wrestling against the current. It's exhausting, fruitless. There's wisdom in recognizing that sometimes letting go can lead you to tranquil waters. Consider the possibility that your deepest self is in revolt, whispering truths you've tried to ignore. What if surrender, rather than struggle, is the key? Those videos with their glossy promises of focus, be it on your breath or the intricacies of your pituitary gland, often skip a crucial warning label. Yes, awareness and meditation on these elements can be transformative. However, anchoring your entire existence to them, that's where the danger lies. Let's weave a new narrative, one where preparation meets intuition. Instead of making these practices your end-all, integrate them as part of a broader, more balanced approach to well-being. Imagine the freedom in exploring your potential, not through sheer force, but with gentle curiosity about where the current might take you if you simply let go. As you glimpse my avatar, a photographic remake of myself, you might infer I'm an older person. All the mistakes I made when I was young taught me something. In my quest for enlightenment, I ventured through myriad circles, embracing a plethora of paths toward transcendence. Such journeys nearly led me to my demise. Take, for instance, the infamous 10-day rice diet, a regimen so austere it claimed lives. Driven by curiosity, I delved into its promises, adhering strictly to its mandate. 10 days sustained on nothing but short-grain brown rice. The outcome was a debilitating weakness, a testament to the diet's folly. As I oscillated between my vegetarian diet and the 10-day stretches of rice, chasing a cure for my lethargy, I just became worse. I urge caution against the seductive allure of quick fixes peddled in glossy videos. My narrative, unlike those, is sculpted from the raw clay of my experiences, not the whims of fancy. Sudden, radical shifts are a mirage of progress. What I advocate for is evolution, not revolution, a gentle unfurling of awareness and reflection. My dialogue on purity isn't a leap into the void, but a measured ascent towards enlightenment. Aging, in its relentless march, brings about transformation. Embrace these shifts not as harbingers of decline, but as chapters in a grand narrative of growth. Resist the temptation to wage war against your evolving form. Heed the counsel of healthcare professionals, sidestepping the siren call of extreme measures. Your focus need not fixate on the minutiae, like the workings of your pituitary gland or the allure of psychedelic escapades. Breathing, though a simple act, need not become an obsession. Consider the lesson of ayahuasca. It induces vomiting. Vomiting is your body telling you it rejects what you consumed. The path to well-being is paved with trial and error, a dance of discovery and attentiveness to the subtle cues our bodies offer. In this journey, let prudence and patience be your guides as you navigate the vast expanse of health and consciousness, embracing the gentle, incremental steps toward a life of balance and harmony. In my youth, I often marveled at the profound insights my subconscious would reveal, insights that seemed beyond my grasp and understanding at the time. It was as though my inner mind held a wisdom far surpassing my conscious awareness, whispering secrets of things unseen and unknown. Now, years later, my sense of wonder has only deepened. It appears my subconscious acts as a portal to the cosmos itself, suggesting a universal truth accessible not just to me, but to every soul willing to listen and learn. This realization doesn't come overnight. It demands the cultivation of patience and a mindful awakening to the world within. In my teachings, I emphasize the foundational triad of truth, purity, and love. To live authentically, to strive for personal purity, and to embrace the quest for eternal love. These are the pillars upon which a meaningful life is built. When you reach a state of unconditional love, trivial pursuits and distractions fade away, leaving only the profound connection to the essence of your affection. If my words resonate with you, consider supporting this journey of enlightenment by contributing. Use the thanks button found below this video. You're not just donating funds, you're sharing a piece of your spirit, your energy, with me. Such a gift is sacred, a token of our shared path to understanding, and I honor it deeply, carrying it with me in gratitude. Let's imagine, then, a world where each of us contributes to a collective awakening, fostering a global enlightenment. This isn't merely a dream. It's a potential reality, a step towards the utopia we've long envisioned. Together, through shared wisdom and love, we can unveil a future bright with promise and unity, perhaps reaching global enlightenment.